there. Today I want to show you how to do a double crochet. So a double crochet is a little bit looser of a weave. You see that you have, it's a pretty tall stitch, right? And so you have some bigger gaps. It's a little bit looser. It's a little bit drapier often. And so I want to show you how to do that stitch. I've done 3 rows of it here and I started this row. The first thing I'm going to do is go around the yarn because I want to have 2 loops on my hook when I go into the next stitch. I'm going to go into this space underneath the V of the next stitch. I'm going to grab the yarn and pull it through. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. This is just a yarn over. It's not a full loop, but it looks, you can see I have the yarn going over 3 times. I'm going to grab my yarn, I'm going to pull it through the first 2. So now I have 2 loops on my hook, and I'm going to do the same thing again. Grab the yarn and go through those 2. So again, I'm going to pull the yarn over the hook, put it into the stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. I have 3 on my hook. I'm going to grab the yarn and pull it through the first 2. Now I have 2 on my hook, and I'm going to go through those 2. Again, yarn over, insert it into the stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. 3 on the hook, grab the yarn, pull it through the first 2, grab the yarn and pull it through these 2. And one more time, we're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn, pull it through the first 2, grab the yarn and pull it through the second 2. Okay? So now you can see that we have this row of double crochet that we've started. I'll show you one more time. We're going to go yarn over, into the stitch, grab the yarn through the first 2 and through the remaining 2. And there's your double crochet stitch.